Greetings, my esteemed members. I'm trusting that you are all well just as I am since our previous video. Welcome to my channel on excelling in academics. I'm Professor Nels and it is great honor and pleasure to see you hang with me on my today's video. Today I would like we take a look at some of the mathematics past paper questions and to be more specific. We shall be handling the 2018 KCSE Mathematics Paper 1. In this video, we shall tackle the first question of the paper under Section 1. Question 1. This is how the question reads. Without using a calculator. Evaluate. 2 1/3 minus 1 1/5 of 2. All divided by 1/4 minus the cube of -1/2. That is the question, and I must admit that this is one of the simplest questions that highly testable in the final year exams. The question falls under the topic of fractions and carries 3 marks. In the questions of this caliber, the examiner is interested in testing on the ability of the student to apply the various mathematical computation signs in their right order as described by abbreviation BODMARs. Without much ado, let's dive into how the solution of this question is realized step by step via the guide of the BODMARs, which is simply the order in which the different computation signs attacked. B stands for brackets, O stands for EAV, which means to multiply. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition, and finally S stands for subtraction. Step 1. We start by tackling the numerator. We start by converting the mixed numbers into improper fractions. 2 1/3 becomes 7/3. 1 1/5 becomes 6/5. Now we first deal with the EAV sign apart. Remember, of means multiply. So, we multiply -6/5 by 2, which gives us -12/5. Now subtracting 12/5 from 7/3. We first need a common denominator. That would be 15. So, converting the fractions. 7/3 becomes 35/15. 12/5 becomes 36/15. Now we subtract 36 from 35, which gives us -1/15. Boom! That's the answer of our numerator, which is -1/15. Step 2. We now proceed to work out the denominator. In this stage, we start inside the brackets. -1/2 cubed gives us -1/8. Now a quarter minus the obtained cubed value, which is -1/8, gives us 3/8. Step 3. Final punch, dividing numerator by denominator. We now have the numerator as -1/15 and denominator as 3/8. To divide fractions, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So -1/15 divided by 3/8 becomes -1/15 times 8/3. Now, -1 times 8 gives -8 and 15 times 3 gives 45. And now the final answer is -8/45. And just like that, we crushed it. The answer is -8/45. And that is how simple it is to pocket your 3 marks. Key things to pay keen attention when handling questions of this nature. First, always follow BODMAS sequentially. Secondly, work with the numerator independently one at a time, and then combine the answers to obtain the final answer. Thirdly, be keen to avoid committing careless mistakes, such as inclusion or omission of signs or maybe interchanging the signs, recording wrong values, and finally using your calculator under wrong mode. And finally, always read your calculations to confirm if what you obtained is correct. With all this said and done, we come to the end of our video on solving the first question of the 2018 Paper 1 Mathematics. If you have any issue of concern or maybe a question that you would like us to tackle, kindly share either in the comments section or via my email or WhatsApp number that I've shared in the description section of the video. As I close, I wish to appreciate you for your time and other sacrifices that you have made to be part of this journey. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Like and share widely to your friends so that they may also benefit and grow together. I love you all. Stay safe and goodbye for now until next video.